Route 66.
This is Mormon rocks.
This is a lot of cool rock formations. There's not a lot to do, and there's not even a public bathroom. So let's see if we can hike up some rocks here. Not to go to the bathroom, but just to have a little bit of activity and see how far we can hike up these rocks.
Climb up, hon. Expert rock climbers, I tell you. So the biggest cement factory that is no longer in use. So here's the second stop.
Aurora Grande or Mojave River Bridge.
Mojave River Bridge.
I don't know what's so great about it. Maybe when there's a lot of water, people go down there as well.
Honey, honey, honey.
Lost my balance there. Yeah, these slippers.
So here we are in Barstow at the Glass Bottle Museum, but it seems like it's closed. It looks like gas station right here. I think the gas pumps are all gone. There's another cement factory. It's Cement Factory Town.
I'm so hungry. Let's go in and get some pizza.
They serve chocolate chip cookies. I see it.
Of course, when I see chocolate chip cookies, I want chocolate chip cookies first.
This is the outside. This is the inside.
Juice.
Oh wow. Okay, so this is the smallest. Yeah, leftovers. Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Let's open and see. Honey, this is the small pizza here.
Bigger than my face.
What did you get?
The meatball sandwich.
This is one of the most, there's two popular ones, the barbecue chicken and the iron hog. So I got this one, the barbecue chicken. Really good. Parmesan cheese on it. Very garlic is good. Oh. The cross-eyed pizza. So good.
So I did that paperwork. On the cars are still dramatic. They haven't even brought up on the map computer.
And the pizza crust is not that thick too. It's really thin and it's so nice and garlicky. More Parmesan cheese.
You can sit outside and eat your food out here, or you can sit inside. Oh, this is so cute. A bottle opener here. Do serve gluten-free pizza. Nice. Do their, look at that cow up there.
They really have a very spacious outside dining and it's really nice. I'm really impressed with this place. I'm gonna try and take a picture in the middle of the road.